Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can embed your meetings and events from Doodle on your website or homepage, for example. So let us dive into this. So guys, you will need to navigate to your Doodle dashboard, right? And then click into see all Doodles here. And then let's assume, for example, I would like to do this with this one. Of course, you can use that shareable invitation link, but there's also the option to create an embed code, right? For the given event. So let me go with this one. To do that, click into these three dots. Then what you want to do is, or click into the event, click into it, and then what you want to do is click into that share button in the top right, and instead of copying the link, choose this option here, add a link to your website. Then you will be redirected to this window, right? So as previously mentioned, this is going to create an HTML code. And yeah, you can update the text in the link code, for example, by clicking into this button. And you can also change that link code here if you like. Or you copy it by clicking into it. You can also copy it to your clipboard here in the bottom right, and then navigate to your homepage or website, no matter, depends on your homepage, of course, where you need to position it, for example, on Wix or, I don't know, any other website you're on or hosting, for example. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.